Thank you for calling Shop India. May I assist you?
Yeah. So I want to purchase from Shopee app,
Yes.
Shopee website, and I have registered my address in the name of my company. Okay. So
Okay.
I
Okay.
want to update my GST number. Where should I update it?
Okay. You want to update your GST number, right?
Yes.
Okay. Definitely, I would like to help you out through this.
Yes.
Yes. I would like to confirm, is this your registered number that you have called me?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for the confirmation. Let me check your account.
Yeah.
You want to register your GST number, but so what kind of issues you are facing right now?
No.
Like where?
No, it's
Yes.
not something a issue, but I don't find any field where I can update my GST number.
Okay. You are not getting any option to fill your GST number, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay, definitely. For this, I would like to help you out definitely.
Okay.
Please stay on call so that I could check this out.
Okay.
Okay. May I put your call on a hold for a minute?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for staying on hold.
Yeah.
I want to confirm, have you taken your GST number?
Yes.
Okay, definitely. So when you create your account as a seller in Shopee app,
No,
in
not a seller. I'm a buyer now.
sorry,
I'm a buyer now. I'm not a seller.
you're a buyer. So why do you want to register your GST number?
Yes, when I make a purchase, the seller will obviously give a GST invoice. Okay, to take that credit of the GST value, I need to have my GST number updated in the invoice.
No, no, no. If you're a buyer, you want to register as a seller on Shopee?
No, no, no. See, I'm a
No,
buyer.
so
Okay, one moment. Let me explain. So I'm a buyer. Okay, I'm a
okay,
company. Okay, I have my own GST number. I want my GST number to be printed on my on the bill which is issued to me from the seller. Okay, so that is required to take credit of the GST value that is being charged by the seller.
okay, understood your concern, but this is not a required thing that you are telling me if you're a buyer.
Okay,
Because
so
just
how will I take the GST credit then? If my GST number is not updated there, okay, so how will I take the credit and how the seller will update the use see for whatever the GST amount that is being collected from me by the seller, okay, for selling their product, okay, they have to use that GST my GST number while filing the GST return by the seller, okay. So without
okay,
having the GST number, how will they file it and how will they take a credit?
okay. Do you have any problem regarding any product or something?
It's not something problem. I want to buy a product. Okay.
You if you want to buy a product, so it's not regarding GST number. You need to mention any GST number there because the
Okay.
GST number is
Okay.
GST number.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. Yeah, let me complete first. Because GST number is required only when you try to be a seller on Shopee. Okay, like whenever you try to be a seller,
Okay.
so that time only GST number is required. Okay, to purchase any order like GST number is not required.
Okay.
And
Okay. GST number is not required. That's not mandatory. I know that. Okay. Even the
yes,
person without GST can make a purchase. But what is my requirement is that okay, even I can register an account on my own personal name without GST. I can purchase it. That's no absolutely not a problem with that. My question is specifically, I registered. I want to make a purchase in the name of my company. Okay, I want to update my GST number as the buyer in the invoice that is required by the government for obtaining the GST credit. Okay, okay. When I go and purchase a product, the seller will obviously send them GST invoice. There will be some portion of the amount as the GST. Without my GST being updated on the invoice, how will I take credit of it?
no, no, no. Actually, the thing is, you have definitely you have a concern. That's why you have called me to take a help. I understood your concern, but I want to just confirm that you want to purchase order in a bulk amount.
Not a bulk amount. Even to see, and just now I opened an account. I found a good product. Okay, I want to go for buying it. But while setting up the account itself, I need to know where should I update my GST so that it will not end up in seller as
No, 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 no.
invoice.
Let me confirm you. If you're a buyer, you want to be a buyer on a Shopee, so you need not to update any GST number anywhere because this is not required for buyer. not
Okay,
required for
okay,
any buyer.
okay. Now
Yes.
I know that, I know that. Okay, so I'm a seller too in Shopee. Okay, I know. So I'm doing a business. I know. I don't have. It need not have to be educated me. Okay, so for
Okay.
buying a product, GST is not a mandatory. But I'm saying I want my GST number to be printed without the invoice copy having my GST number. I cannot take credit. Do you know that? That
Okay.
is
Okay. Okay.
yes, yeah. I want the my GST number to be updated on the invoice so that I can take credit of the GST amount.
Okay.
My
Regarding.
simple yeah, my simple question is where should I update the GST number?
Okay. If you want to update your GST number, definitely you need to be a seller on Shopee when you log in your account, when you register on
I
a
know
Shopee
I
account.
see. I
Yeah.
don't know. See, I'm not a seller. Okay, now
Okay.
I'm not a seller. As a buyer, so you don't have any option to update the GST. So
No.
any
No. No. No.
GST
That's
cannot be taken. So if you can confirm me, then we can end the call with that
No.
confirm.
No. Actually, the thing is, this GST number on Shopee is required only for seller, not for buyer.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, that is an option. That is an option. I know that you already said that. I even need not have it to be told me because I am already aware of it. For any buyer, see, I'm doing a business. Even a small individual person without GST also can buy a product from me or any Shopee or any online platform also. That is absolutely known to everyone. So it need not have to be repeated. My question is that as a you see one company, a seller is a company, right? And I am also
Yes.
a company. Okay, so I want my GST number to be updated on the bill. See, even though you continuously keep on repeating that it's not required for buying a product. Okay,
Yes.
you tell me if I go and buy a product, okay, there is some 200 rupees of GST value is there. How should I take a credit? How should I take a credit of the 200 rupees after buying a product and receiving the invoice from the seller? So you do you think that is not possible when you make a shopping in the Shopee website?
Okay. But as I can see, the information is right now I have regarding GST number. This is required only for seller when he creates
I
his
know, I
account
know.
on Shopee. This is the single option. Okay, when
Okay.
you want to be a seller on Shopee, you need to create your account and their GST number is required. Okay, and none of it GST number is required anywhere on Shopee.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. Guide me. Tell me how to take credit in such a case.
sorry.
Okay, tell me how to take the GST credit. So you mean that when whomever is buying from the Shopee website, they cannot take a GST credit. Am I right in saying this? Because you don't have to provide any option for updating the GST. Without updating the GST credit is not possible. Okay, that means Shopee website is not allowing to take GST credit for any of its customers.
No,
Am I right?
actually,
Am I right in saying this?
what I am saying is, this is only required
It
when you
is not
become a
no
seller on
no.
Shopee.
It's not about the requirement. It's mandated by the government. Yeah, GST number must be printed on the invoice to take the GST credit. If if you are talking about only the option and requirement, yes, it's an option and requirement. But the government mandates it that GST number must be buyer's GST number must be printed on the invoice to take the GST credit. So my question is, where should I update in this form in my profile or what is it called? No, address or bank details, profile, change password. All these options are there, but I don't find any GST field. Okay, so when you are keep on repeating again that it's not required, yes, I know it's not required for buying a product, but for taking a GST credit, you are not coming to the point.
No,
But
no, no. Actually,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, you must be. See, either you're not understanding it or you don't want to understand it. Okay, but now I'm repeating again. The government is mandating is mandatory by the
I,
government to have the GST number printed on the invoice. I'm asking
I,
how where to update the GST number in this portal so that when I buy a product and receive a bill, my GST number is printed on the buyer side. Okay, the seller will also print the GST number, but my buyer side also must be a GST number printed on the invoice so that only whatever the GST amount that is occurred on that specific invoice, I can take credit. Otherwise, GST credit is not possible. Tell me, sure, sure, sure.
yeah, I understand whatever you're
Yeah,
saying.
yeah,
Actually, GST number according to government is mandatory. I understand this concern.
yeah,
Definitely, but
yeah,
but
yeah.
right now I have not the information regarding this, so I am sorry to provide the information because I cannot pass you the wrong information. Okay,
Okay, okay.
so I'm really sorry. I'm not able to help you right now in this. this is I'm frankly speaking to you. So you can call us later. Okay, definitely I would like to help you out through that. Okay.
So later means when? No. So I'm looking for a product to buy it now. So if it is by tomorrow, yes, fine. At least you people can help me. But
Okay. Okay.
I'm not finding any option, and I'm not
Okay,
getting.
I'm taking your feedback from my end that you are not getting any option to update your GST number. Okay.
Yes,
But right now the update regarding this is not available right now, so I'm not able to help you out through this. This is I'm frankly speaking to you, so I think you understand this. Okay,
yes.
so
Okay,
you can call us later. Definitely, you will be helped out in a better way.
okay.
Okay,
Thank you. Thank you.
okay. Thank you for calling Shop India. Have a great day.